What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andre, the host of our channel. I guess you guys should be welcoming me back to the channel, right? I've seen the views go up, I've seen the subscribers go up. Congratulations to the Suited Racer fam for hitting that 10K subscriber mark that we've been longing for. So you guys will start seeing lots of story posts on my YouTube channel, because you gotta have 10,000 subscribers to do a story post. So make sure you are subscribed and your notifications on. I don't want to waste any more of your time. You guys have all been patiently waiting for 2 whole months. The car that I bought, it was supposed to have been supercharged. I kind of lied to you guys unintentionally. It's not supercharged, but it does have 8 cylinders. It does have a 5-liter engine. And I think you guys have figured it out. So I've been gone for 2 months, and my good friend Wally let me borrow his trailer right over here. You guys remember this trailer when I brought the Gallardo home? We've trailered the Viper in this thing as well when we got the rear diffuser put on up north in Sacramento. But I took Wally's trailer out because there was a car that was playing in the wild. And notoriously enough, these cars love to kill crowds, and so we have, lo and behold, our 2020 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. Here it is, and if you're wondering why the hell is the car already in the air, well, this car here is a 2020 model. It's temporary tags on there because we literally just got it off the trailer. We had to pull this thing out of the shrubs and the mud. I wish I recorded that, but I wasn't really planning on making a vlog out of this one, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So as we all know, Mustangs are pretty wild out there, you know, so we decided to start a rescue squad and rescue this thing. And I will tell you, when I bought it, it had no front bumper. So this front bumper obviously is not the factory GT 5.0 bumper. This is the bumper off of a GT 500, which I think is a gorgeous front bumper. And so once I lower the car, we'll do a walk around. But for now, here's a little side profile of the car. It's got these weird 235s all around. I don't know why the hell the rear has 235s, but that could be a good reason why Mustangs like to dance where they're not supposed to be dancing. So we got to get a new pair of shoes on this thing. All of this was clunked up between the axle, which is right over here. He had a bunch of shit clunked up in there. We had all of this shit right over here clunked up way up there in between this guy and the oil pan, which is right over there, and the drain plug is right over there. This was clunked up all within the undercarriage, and it was also right down in there where the axle is. So this car, just like many other Mustangs love to do, decided to go off-roading and have some fun where it wasn't supposed to be having fun. We went on a mission to retrieve this lonesome but daring Mustang. We brought it home and we're bringing it back to life. We've got the new bumper on it. The car otherwise is in pretty damn good shape. I'm going to lower the car for you guys, do a walk around, go for a little drive, and I'll tell you guys why I bought this car. I'll tell you guys why I bought the GT Mustang. The Viper's in the garage, the Evo's in the garage, the Gallardo is sold. I sold that thing. We had our fun with it. It was time to part ways, and this isn't the permanent replacement for the Gallardo. I don't know how long we'll keep this one, but for now we're going to have some fun with it while we do have it. So if any of you guys want to buy a 5.0 Mustang, this one's got about 35,000 miles on it. It's a 2020 model. It's a clean title car. It's got a GT 500 front bumper on it. Slide into my DMs on Instagram. Send me an email, suited.racer@gmail.com. This car, as long as we own it, is always for sale. If a buyer wants it, DM me an offer and we might make it happen. I've got the title in my hand. It's not a lease. It's not a borrowed car. It's not a rented car. I have the title in my hand. So transferring to new ownership is very easy to do. But yeah, that pile of shit under the car, I'm going to get to cleaning it up. And then we are going to get to a drive. Look at that. All of this was down there, you guys. All of this crap. It looks like horse shit. It looks like cow shit. Looks like squirrel shit. Looks like all kinds of shit was up there. I don't even know what this stuff is. It's not dirt. It's like crap.
Come on, man.
So I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and we will go for a drive. Alright. Yeah, that splitter's a little bit low up front. We just scraped it. Good job, Andre. And we're off. We're off to kill a crowd. This thing jumps, man. So I've never actually really driven a Mustang before. I don't mean to say that in like a demeaning way at all. I actually dig this car. It's pretty cool. It's got nice leather seats. It's got white stitching. There's a bunch of my crap over here, but yeah, I got to clean up the interior a little bit. It's not up to my my OCD standards. As you can see, there's some dirt right here on the door from its adventures off-roading out in the wild. But I'm kind of happy. We've rescued a Mustang. Oh, look at that. We were almost nailed by another suspect who was seeking to kill the crowd. Let's see what this thing's got. Oh shit! This fucking thing moves! Holy crap! Wow! I'm impressed! I don't even know how much horsepower this car has. If I were to guess, like right around the 500 marker, dude, this fucking thing goes pretty good. Holy shit, man. Not bad, not bad. What I don't understand is that this car has two 35s in the back and two 35s in the front. I don't know if the previous owner maybe swapped them out, but you would expect to have like two 85s in the rear, maybe, you know, two 95s, 305s perhaps. But I didn't expect a square setup all around. I mean, yeah, it's cool if you want to rotate your tires, but it's a freaking 5.0 Mustang. Why is it a square setup? All you Mustang boys, comment below. I need some clarity here, you guys. I kind of bought this car on a whim. I didn't even know what the fuck I was buying, but I'm glad that it's a V8. I'm glad it's a 5-liter, and man, it sounds good. Fucking thing pulls pretty good, man. I am impressed. I am impressed, actually. Let's see what happens when we turn traction off. Off? Yep. Traction is off. Let's see what we got now. Alright. Let's get down to first gear. The little paddle things over here. The little paddle shifters, you know. Is this kind of thing gonna swirl on me? Dude! That is fun! I could see why this thing goes off the road often. If you don't know what you're doing, the back got squirrely there. And we're only on 235s and they're cold, you know. I just hosed out the entire car, and you know, we've got a little Porsche over here trying to kill me too. Oh, maybe it isn't the Mustang's fault. Everyone's trying to turn into me over here. This thing is cool. I actually like this car. Maybe we keep this one for a while. Unless one of you generous folks want to buy it off me. It's a cool car. Wow. What is this? Oh, this is a 10-speed. This is a 10-speed automatic, and it shifts really quick. I promise you guys, I have no freaking idea what I bought. I saw a good deal. I took the opportunity and said, here we are. And I do have to complain about how the front wheels are so concaved inside the fender well. It looks terrible. I don't know if I got to run a spacer up there or what I have to do to pop them out a little bit, but that offset is really screwed up. It looks like it's like really off. The stance on these Mustangs is just terrible. But yeah, this car is totally stock. Sounds really good. Sounds really good, actually. And I'm impressed at the speed of this car. It caught me off guard. That was my first time driving this car, you guys. I've never driven it before. The interior is pretty cool. I like it. It's very nice. I don't know about these green lights that we have over here. Let me turn this light off. You got these like funky green lights. I don't know about all that, but yeah, like this, and then down there it's like green. And of course, I don't know why Taylor Swift was playing here, but it is, so. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna back the car in, and I think we're gonna call it a wrap. That was a quick little reveal for you guys. Thanks for tuning in to our first vlog back in a while. I hope you guys continue tuning in. Keep in mind, we are gonna be posting lots of stuff on our YouTube story, so make sure you're subscribed, because notifications actually work. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there. My Instagram is suited.racer. And YouTube, yep, we're out.